Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important science topics, that is asexual refraction and their types, pH range charts and salts and its uses. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ SSLCಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಸುವಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, pH ರೇಂಜ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಸ್, ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು ಸೆಕ್ಸುವಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Asexual reproduction and their types. What is meant by asexual reproduction? Production of offsprings by a single parent without the formation and fusion of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Types of the asexual reproductions are binary fission, multiple fission, fragmentation, budding, regeneration, vegetative propagation, spore formation. First type, binary fission. Binary fission means the parent body divides into two identical daughter cells at a time. The parent body divides into two identical daughter cells at a time. Example, amoeba, paramecium, etc. Amoeba, paramecium, etc. Multiple fission. Multiple fission. Definition: in which parent body divides into more than two daughter cells. In which parent body divides into more than two daughter cells at a time. For example, Plasmodium. Fragmentation means a body breaks into several fragments which later develop into complete individuals. Example, Spirogyra, Ulothrix, etc. Next type, budding. Budding means a bud develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at one specific site. Their buds develop into tiny individuals and when fully mature detach from the parent's body and become new independent individuals. For example, Hydra, yeast, etc. Regeneration. Regeneration means if the individual is somehow cut or broken up into many pieces, many of these pieces grow into separate individuals. Example, Planaria, Hydra, etc. Next type, vegetative propagation. It means a new plant is developed from a portion of a plant body. It is known as vegetative propagation. Example, Bryophyllum. Last types, spore formation. It means in this method of reproduction, the parent plant produces hundreds of thin spores which can growing into new plants. For example, Rhizophus, bacteria, etc. Second topic, pH range chart. The pH range chart is lies between the pH of 0 to 14. 0 to 14. In case pH value is lies between 0 to 7, it is in acidic nature. In lies between 7 to 14, pH value is in basic nature. Exact pH value 7, it is neutral. pH value is increasing 7 to 0, it increases acidic nature. pH value is increased to 7 to 14, it increases basic nature. Exact value 7, it has neutral. pH value is increase the 0 to 7, H plus ion also increases. Increase the concentration of OH minus ions but decreasing the concentration of H plus ions. In 7 to 14 pH value, increase the concentration of H plus ions but decrease the concentration of OH minus ions. Next topic, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್, ಚಲುವೆ ಪುಡಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್. ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್. Bleaching powder chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Molecular formula CaOCl2. CaOCl2. Uses of calcium oxychlorides are: first uses used for disinfection of drinking water. Disinfection of drinking water. Second uses used for bleaching of washed clothes in the laundry. Third uses used for bleaching wood pulp in the paper manufacturing industries. Second salt's common name washing soda. Its chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Molecular formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. Its uses, it is largely used in the production of detergents and soaps. It is used in the manufacturing of glass. Third one, baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate formula, molecular formula NaHCO3. Uses leavening in cooking. People uses baking soda in baking as a leavening agent. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Next common name, plaster of Paris. POP. Plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. CaSO4 half H2O. CaSO4 half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Its uses used in making cast iron pattern for molds and statues. Used in making cast iron pattern for molds and statues. Used in hospital for immobilizing the affected part in case of bones fracture or sprain. Last salts, common salts, brain solution. It chemical name is sodium chloride NaCl. It uses as a common salts. Dear students, if you have any doubts in these topics, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.